Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look over Gmail and some of its components. So without any further ado, let's get straight to it. Okay, so to actually send a mail to someone, all you have to do is click on the compose button on the top left corner, and this is the view that you'll be presented with. So what you have to do next, if you want to enlarge in the view a bit, is to click on the middle button and it'll be enlarged. So let's say you want this view to be of default view, just click on the three dots and choose default to full screen, and this will be your default view whenever you click on compose. So the first section that you see over here is where you'll type the receiver's address. So let's say example at gmail.com for example, and beneath that is where you'll type the subject of your email, like the subject of which your email is about. So let's say subject of email as an example over here, and beneath that is where you'll type the actual body of the email, like the content of the email will go over here. And let's say you're satisfied with this and you just want to send it to the recipient to type over there, click on the send button and the mail will be sent to the address you have typed in the top field. Okay, so let's say you want to send a mail at a particular time period. So what you have to do for that is first of all type the mail address of the receiver like we did earlier, and then the subject of the mail, and beneath that you will type the body of the mail like we did earlier. Those are the basics, and afterwards what you have to do is click on the down right arrow and click on schedule send. So this menu will pop up. There are three options built in. If you want to pick a custom time, just click on pick date and time and then choose the date and time in which you want the mail to be sent automatically. So I'm gonna say 15th May 9:35 AM, and I'll click on schedule send and the mail will be scheduled to send at a particular chosen time. Okay, so let's say you want to customize your text a little bit. So for that what you'll have to do is first of all highlight the text that you want to customize like I'm doing here with your cursor, and then you can see a bunch of options over here. You can just mess around with it and customize your text in your way. Okay, so let's say you want a signature in every one of your mail. What you have to do for that is to go to settings first of all, and then scroll down to the point where you see a tab called signature. After you saw that, click on the create new button, after which a menu like this will pop up. Here you can type the name of your signature. So I'm going to type default signature over here and then click on create. So now then a box will appear here like this. Here you can type your signature, like whatever you want in every one of your mail will be typed over here and it'll pop up in every one of your mail. So you can just mess around with it and customize it like I'm doing over here. I'm going to change its color to red to match YouTube's theme, and then I'm going to change my brand's name to purple because that's my theme color. Okay, so after you've done that, you have to scroll down to where it says signature defaults, and you have to choose the first option where it says for new emails used. It'll be defaultly set to no signature. Choose your newly made signature over here called default signature. If you want only on reply and forward, choose that. Afterwards click on save changes and it'll be saved. Okay, so these are the basics for Gmail if you are a beginner. So if you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.